I'm leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me 'cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. And I know, I want you. We shouldn't even.
I want to be free, lady. Oh, how I want to be free. Oh, I want to break free.
You're the one that I want. Honey, the one that I want. Honey, the one that I want. The one I need. Oh, yes, indeed.
We can go where we want to, places they will never find. And we can act like we come from out of this world, leave the real one far behind. We can dance.
Don't sing.
We can go when we want to, night is young and so am I. We can dress real neat from our hearts to our feet and surprise them with a victory cry. Say, we can act if we want to, if we don't, nobody will. And you can act real rude and totally removed, and I can act like an imbecile. Say, we can dance, everything.
And I